Have you ever wondered if it's possible to find real diamonds in the wild, in a natural, untouched place like the Brakniya region? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to search for diamonds in nature, and more importantly, how to tell if what you found is truly a diamond, based on real, practical knowledge. Let's begin with a simple fact. Diamonds are formed deep underground, under extreme pressure and heat. Over millions of years, they are pushed to the surface by volcanic activity through what's called kimberlite pipes, long, narrow columns of volcanic rock that carry diamonds to the Earth's crust. Step 1. Know where to look. If you're exploring in a mountainous or rocky area like Brakniya, look for signs of ancient volcanic activity. The presence of dike-dense rocks, especially kimberlite or lamproite, could be a good indicator. Also, rivers and streams nearby can be gold mines for diamond hunters. Water can naturally erode kimberlite, carrying diamonds downstream and depositing them in gravel beds, especially at bends or in deep calm pockets. Step 2. What to look for. A raw diamond doesn't look like the sparkling stones you see in jewelry stores. It often appears dull, glassy, and colorless, or sometimes yellowish or brown. It may have an octahedral shape, like two pyramids stuck base to base, or appear rounded if it's been worn by water. Pay attention to stones that don't reflect light like quartz. Don't show rainbow colors. Feel heavier than they look. Step 3. Simple tests to identify a real diamond. Once you've found a suspicious stone, you can try the following tests at home. The fog test. Breathe on the stone like you're fogging a mirror. If the fog disappears instantly, it could be real. The water test. Drop it in a glass of water. A real diamond will sink quickly due to its density. Scratch test. Try scratching a piece of glass with it. If it scratches the glass and remains undamaged, it may be diamond. Transparency test. Place it over newspaper or a small dot on paper. If you can read through it, it's not diamond. Real diamonds distort light. Step 4. Look for inclusions and natural imperfections. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Real diamonds often have internal flaws called inclusions. If the stone looks perfect or too clear, it might be glass or cubic zirconia. Step 5. Get a diamond tester. For a more accurate test, buy a portable diamond tester online. These devices check thermal conductivity and give a reliable reading within seconds. Finding a natural diamond in the wild is rare, but not impossible. Areas like Brakniya may hold ancient geological secrets that only careful explorers can uncover. The key is patience, knowledge, and observation. And remember, even if you're not sure, always take the stone to a certified gemologist for professional testing. Who knows? You may be holding a small piece of the Earth's deepest mystery, a natural diamond forged by time and pressure.